So, we've had our organized discussions of Under the Feet of Jesus. Today, we will embark on our next unit with our next book, Tim O'Brien's The Things They Carried. Now, if you've ever criticized school books for their content or style, try to reset your hopes at this point. Tim O'Brien is a contemporary novelist who grew up in Minnesota, went to Harvard, served in the Vietnam War. Though as a soldier and a draftee, O'Brien has a certain lived experience that none of us share, he excels at examining what we all carry. You see, in our lived experience, we all carry our hopes for the future. We carry the burdens of the past, we carry our fears, our anxieties, our craving to be brave in the face of danger, to make the right choices in times of crisis. Before we take up his collection of stories that reads much like a novel, however, first we will start to consider what the characters we have studied carry. Recently, for example, we met the characters in Under the Feet of Jesus, got to know some better than others. Did you get to know Petra enough to know what she carries? Certainly she carries her love for her daughter, certainly the knowledge that innocence only lasts so long. If you did look closely at the use of food in the novel, you may have noticed that while she carries the desire to feed, she often lacks the resources to be able to do so. Let's not forget, too, that the food in our tables may be provided by Petra. And with that knowledge, what are you carrying? But I'm getting ahead of myself. I've left a document on Classroom called What They Carry. On it, I've listed the names of some of the characters we have studied this year. This is a public document. Others will see what you write. For about 20 minutes, please describe some of the things those people carry, adding to what others before you write, fleshing out details and examples. Feel free to add new characters if you wish. Then, return later, read what your peers have written, and insert a few comments, replying to them. I look forward to seeing what you write.